Each year, the National Association of Realtors does a study, and these are some things that they find that buyers are thinking about when they're thinking about making a move and buying a home. First one is making sure they find the right house. Obviously, if you're going to spend several $100,000, you want to make sure that it's for the right property. You're not wasting your money living somewhere you don't want to be. Negotiation obviously is a big sticking point. If you're not a professional negotiator like realtors are, where we do it every day, that's what we bring to the table to make sure that you're not giving away your leverage and costing yourself money at the end of the day. Every year there's a new piece of paper we have to get signed to keep everything in compliance. We bring paperwork to the table to make sure you're protected and you've got all the inspections and all the things that you need to think about, because there's so much going on. You're excited about buying the house. Let's face it, you guys don't do it but just a couple of times in your life. Why do it alone? Make sure you've got a resource, and that's what we're here to do at the Expert Real Estate team. So reach out to us.